Hello everyone. Going to Canada was always a dream my husband and I jointly saw. It would still have been one had we not come across Aptech Global Immigration Service Private Limited. The entire team of Aptech Global, especially Miss Pinky, made the entire process seem so effortless, be it obtaining our transcripts from our respective universities or obtaining Educational Credential Assessment report from World Education Services and other such immigration formalities. The entire process was very smooth. Whenever we had any queries or any suggestions pertaining to immigration process, Miss Pinky was always a click or an extension away. Now going to Canada is a matter of few more such formalities, and soon we'll realize our dream. We really appreciate the kind of support and cooperation extended by the entire Aptech team to us throughout this immigration process. Thank you so much, guys.